Are you thinking of switching careers after being in your field for years? Maybe you're eyeing tech, healthcare, design, supply chain, or a skilled trade like welding, automotive, plumbing, or anything but what you're doing now. The truth is, your skills are more transferable than you think. And today, I'll show you how to use AI like ChatGPT to upgrade your resume and position yourself for roles in a new industry, even if you've never worked in it before. In this step-by-step discussion, I'll walk you through the exact prompts you can feed into an AI tool to revise your resume, highlight transferable skills, and generate tailored content that gets past applicant tracking systems. We'll start with simple prompts, then level up using a professional framework: role, task, context, application, audience, and constraints. Let's get into it. First, what are transferable skills? These are abilities you've developed in one job or industry that are valuable in another. Think leadership, project management, communication, customer service, data analysis, working with your hands, and so on. The key is framing them correctly. Before we prompt the AI, here's what you need. Upload your current resume and a job description for the role you want. Be thoughtful and honest. Don't exaggerate your qualifications. Just identify the real-world experience you already have that could be relevant in a new context. For example, if you led a team as a restaurant manager, that's leadership. If you tracked inventory, that's operations and logistics. Be clear and accurate. It helps the AI generate more authentic, powerful results. Here are some starter prompt examples. Help me rewrite my resume summary for a career change from retail management to project coordination in tech. Example 2, list transferable skills from your experience as a high school teacher who wants to apply to a role in corporate training. Example 3, how can I describe my experience as a customer support agent in a way that fits a UX research assistant job? These are decent prompts, but they only scratch the surface. To get truly useful and tailored responses, we need to give the AI more structure. Let's try it using prompts that include role, task, context, application, audience, and constraints. Here's how to level up your prompting. Use the following framework: role, who the AI is pretending to be; task, what you want the AI to do; context, provide background information about your situation; application, where or how the result will be used; audience, who will read it; constraints, formatting rules or style preferences for the situation. Here is an advanced prompt. You are a career coach and professional resume writer. Your task is to rewrite a resume summary for someone transitioning from teaching to instructional design. Context: the person has 8 years of experience teaching high school science, managed classrooms, developed lesson plans, and incorporated digital tools like Kahoot and Google Classroom. Application: this summary will appear at the top of a resume for job applications on LinkedIn and Indeed. Audience: hiring managers in edtech companies. Constraints: keep it under 100 words, use clear language, and highlight measurable impact when possible. Now that's a prompt AI can work with to give you a better output. It may seem hard, but after a few tries, you will feel like a pro. Here is a bonus prompting tip. Once you've uploaded your resume and job description, use this prompt. Compare my resume to this job description. What's missing, and how can I reframe my experience to better align with the role? With just a few well-structured prompts, you can unlock a whole new layer of value from AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and others. So whether you're jumping into a new industry or just want your resume to finally work for you, these techniques can make a massive difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the role you're aiming for. I might even give you a custom prompt in the next video. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.